Here's the work. Plug back in the hole.
What about these lock tabs here? Where did these go to?
This one holds the main shaft bearing on.
Oh, don't need that.
These hold the sprocket on.
But we didn't put them on.
Nope. Well, that's 2 less places to leak.
Ah.
Okay, where's your other part?
That part?
Now, did yours go on a sledgehammer or is this one going easy?
It's in between.
How come it hangs down so low? Is it on purpose?
Because it's not on all the way.
Does it hit against here when it's all the way down? Because it's pretty low.
It hits on my primary cover.
You can go up higher, doesn't it?
I don't know, but you can see, look at the bottom of it. You can see the wear mark.
Right there?
Pretty good.
That's because it's bent down.
Oh.
I'm going to ask you a question. There's probably a reason for it.
But if I don't know that it was bent, then I'm just going to give you stupid answers.
You said I don't know. Well, you tell me what the problems are on the bike, and I already know.
That's why I said it has a wear mark. So that press will hold it while you try and bend it?
How many tons are on it right now?
About 3.
How many tons is that?
I don't know.
That's a genuine Harley part. How much clearance do you need?
Not sure. Enough.
It's definitely a genuine Harley.
I'm not really sure what you just did, but it looks different.
Now it's bent down. Probably got a half inch closer over here if you watch the video. That's definitely Harley because it's heat treated. It's strong.
Huh.
I'll give you $5 for it.
Yeah, but then I need the part.
I'll give you a new chrome one.
No. That is a custom paint job.
Now it sits level like it's supposed to.
Wow. I wonder why they ever bent it.
It's bent forward a little bit too, but it's here and here about equal now.
And there's the hardware for it.
Here's your 1/2 inch lock washer.
I don't know why that is on there. It's totally redundant, isn't it?
It's definitely a tight needle washer of some type on there. But you need one that actually fits it, not the 1/2 inch variation on there.
1/2 inch variation. I'll trade you these 2 washers for 1 washer that works.
Do we have one that works though?
Do you want these?
We've got a rusty one. That goes in there. This here goes with a kicker with a transmission because it's special.
Oh, it is? Oh, it's a shim, isn't it?
It fits on the shaft with your hub ball.
Uh-huh.
It's like an AN washer, but it's an odd size. So these we keep for special applications.
All right.
Put them in the pile over there.
Nice.
There's a nice thick washer that goes there.
You think my chain will be too short with this new sprocket?
I don't know how far back your axle was, but probably.
Axle's probably somewhere in the middle.
We got 2 5/8 wrenches out.
Redundancies.
No 11/6.
Wowee.
Where you go all the way back, then you go forward about 1 inch, 1.5 inches, and that's where you're supposed to adjust your thing at.
Really?
When you go all the way back here, you get that big mark in the back here.
Uh-huh.
So about here is where you should be, because you only got about this much travel.
Yeah, it doesn't move much.
You don't want to be way back here. You want to be up here.
Uh-huh.
When you're way back here, it gets in the way of the battery box too. That's why we bend them up. So
You want to kind of in line with the corner here.
you just whatever you got enough room. When it's all the way in, you're gonna be close to your cover. There's no number, but it's you just go back. You like come back about an inch and a half. That's a good starting point.
I know in the book there is no numbers. It doesn't even tell you.
Now, if you really want to know what to do, you go over here and look inside of here, if you can see it, which I don't think you can. But you want to look at your fork in here.
I don't know if the camera can see that.
See your fork right there? Your finger?
Yeah.
Do you see how it's almost straight? So
I see it, but I don't know if the camera can see it.
So you want to go over center. You want to be one over center and go over center that way.
Oh, like just a little bit over center?
You get maximum travel when you go back and forth over center equally.
Okay.
So that's what it's supposed to be at.
Right.
It's supposed to be over center. Now, if you're way back here, so you're way off the whack.
Yeah.
If you look at, see how the bearing and push that way, that's because you hit on the inside of the bearing over here.
Oh.
You're way too far back. So over here it's bottomed out. So you want to be just right like that where you're working the finger about right.
So it shouldn't touch anything, huh?
When it's working correctly, no. But that'll give you maximum stroke also, which means maximum release of your clutch.
So your clutch will just work best.
There's a vehicle on there now. So now you're going to have this on here, so when you take it home, you're going to beat that and break it off again.
I was just thinking that, honestly. You read my mind.
The foot are hard to break. What's left? What's that?
Drain plug.
We need that one?
Yeah, it'd be hard to put it on with that crap on the top, though. Who put that stuff up?
So we stuck an O-ring down in there.
Yep.
To keep
Cut
it centered.
stupid
To
tab
keep this
off.
centered up. Yeah, cut the tab off. Because it's going too far over, it probably would leak. So we had to modify the tool a little bit. So that was an O-ring is off of the oil pump cap for a Evo.
Fancy schmancy.
Now you can even run it dry.
That's what they all like.
And put a little goop on there to help make it seal better.
Oh, what about this silly little 5th bolt? Anything really that fits in there will work?
You have to find the correct bolt. That varies by application.
You got any transmission studs? Or I mean...
It's too late to put those in now.
No, these. The bolts, the nuts that go on the studs.
Cool nuts.
Yeah, I know. I always get that mixed up. I think I know that by now.
I don't think I have any nuts in the building. What are you talking about?
Gosh.
Might have some hardware in the building though.
Because the three of the 4 that I had were stripped.
You know, this is nylon, or not, this is some kind of plastic material, so you're not supposed to just torque the snot out until it goes pop. But you got to put some load to it. So the goop is going to be more you're holding than anything.
Oh, that's new. I never had a drain plug before.
When you start seeing the rubber pooching out there, that's enough torque.
Okay.
Keep torquing, it's going to break. You should have a nice flange nut on there,
Okay.
which you should have.
I did not. I had some...
I know you don't, they don't have any, but that's what you should have on there. So I prefer flange nuts, so if you go hunting around for some flange nuts, would be the best way. These are fine thread hardware. This looks like somebody ground it off with a dull turd. Probably was tearing up my workbench so bad.
One of Scooby's turds.
That was it. So anyway, you should have a nice big flat washer and a flange nut is ideal. Preferably with a little bit of mechanical locking on the flange nut.
Like the little teeth.
I don't like the teeth. Serration, you know, not good. That's where you pinch it in a pinch nut. But anyway, if nothing else, use Loctite on there. You're gonna have to file the turd off here because see, it's not. We'll let you get the nut on there very well, and you gotta tear it apart along there like that. So you have to go here with a file and knock these down, or a grinder. All right, there you go. That's one transmission ready to go with a These eyes don't light up on this.
No, it's not that cool.
You get the bogus style.
I know, it's a swap meet like $3.
Well, we didn't put this on there yet either. See how it's already bent?
Yeah, it's from all my kicking.
See how it's already loose?
Oh yeah. It's the cool factor though, when you're just sitting there idling, everyone sees it bouncing around, they're like,
There's a cure for that, you know.
a new one.
You know.
Put some sandpaper in there.
You know.
Bust up a...
New shaft helps a lot.
Yeah, probably should have gone with that new shaft, huh? Oh well, just have to break my leg again.
These are the fixes for this too.
I did have pieces of like beer can in there as shim, and it kind of worked a little
How
bit.
did that work for you?
Pretty good for a little while.
Put this in high pressure so you can watch it squish as you go down. You go, where should I quit?
Y'all see that on YouTube? Hope you did. Once in a lifetime.
So is that enough or not?
We're about to find out.
If it's too much, you got to beat it on with a big hammer.
Uh-oh. Don't do it. How am I going to get that off to put the spring in there?
This is a small hammer, I think it's just right. There you go.
Okay.
So you get them on and off. Don't you not do this stuff?
No, I don't never have any parts that fit that tight. My stuff just falls off as soon as I take the bolts out.
See? It's good hitting the right spot. Right there all those marks are at, see?
Oh, I guess that's why all the marks are there, huh?
They are now. A little better.
Why is this all angled? It's like a Sportster.
You have a spring on there.
Oh yeah, the
Lever's
spring.
bent too.
Spring keeps it up a little bit.
Things are a little off.
Whatever. It's chrome. It's okay.
Here's what it is. See, the kicker's up straight. It's just your lever.
The lever's pretty shitty.
Yeah, they're not too good.
Antique.
That was a two-hit fit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing is definitely, I guess, angled back to it.
It definitely does.
So you put this part over here. The whole thing's bent right here. You put that kind of square table in.
It's got a real big bend.
Yeah, that's why I use genuine levers on my race bike, because they're so hard to kick. They just fold these things right back. I fold back the genuine Harley ones. The other thing is these things will twist on you too.
Well, your battery's about to die. It's got a line through it.
Oh well. Alright, well that's it for this one. So now you know how to fit up your levers now.